Hey there, Samsung users. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and tricks for your devices. In today's video, we'll tackle a common challenge: bypassing Google verification on your Samsung device. Whether you're resetting your phone or dealing with the FRP lock, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right into the video. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand what Google verification is and how it works. Google verification is a tool used by Google to secure your device from abuse and keeps device locked when it is stolen. Here your Google account is linked to your device, and if someone's hard reset the device without signing out Google account, then Google will ask to re-log in the same account first to use the device. So basically it provides extra security in case of device stolen. If you want to reset your Samsung device and avoid Google verification altogether, here's what you can do. You can log out all your Google accounts before resetting your device. To remove the Google account, just open Settings and go to Accounts and Sync option, and here you get the Google accounts. Just choose any one of them, and then hit Remove Now option. If you want to avoid any situations like this, then make sure to remember your account credentials to avoid future issues. If you're facing Google verification after a reset, you can bypass it using a reliable tool called DroidKit. Here, firstly download the DroidKit on PC/Mac and then select FRP Bypass. Then connect your device to the computer, then press the Start button. The configuration file will be prepared for your device, then tap on Start to bypass to continue. Then follow the instructions shown here to put your device in recovery mode. And it asks for your Android version, and then hit the Next button. Then follow the instructions to wipe cache partition and click Next option. Finally, follow steps in DroidKit to go to Samsung factory mode and click Reset. Finally, the bypass will be completed, and your device will be restarted. Now, let's address some commonly asked questions by the users. Here, some of you don't know the relationship between FRO and Google verification. Actually, they both do same work of protecting your device from unauthorized access by someone, and by bypassing FRP you automatically bypass the Google verification, because in Android devices Google provides the FRP in form of Google verification. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on bypassing Google verification on your Samsung device. We discussed what Google verification is and how it works, ways to avoid it during a reset, and the solution of using DroidKit to bypass it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.